In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart system in Notion. Start by opening Notion and going to your home screen. From here, head to the Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Notion hosts templates, and using a template is the fastest way to get a clean Gantt setup without building everything from scratch. Once you are in the Marketplace, click into the search bar and type Highlight. When the results appear, select the template that matches that search. After you open the template page, click Add. This copies the template into your own Notion workspace, so you can edit it freely. After it finishes adding, open the template and click into the page called Gantt chart. This is where the system lives. You will see a database with multiple views, and one of the most important is the timeline view. Click Timeline to switch the layout into a Gantt-style timeline, where each task becomes a bar that stretches across dates. Next, click the Status property in the database. Status is what keeps your plan readable because it lets you quickly see what is not started, in progress, or complete. After checking status, click into one of the tasks in the list to open it. Use any task entry that is already in the template. Inside the task, set the start date by clicking the date field and choosing a date on the calendar. Then set the end date by selecting the later date. When both dates are set, the task bar on the timeline will automatically expand to match that range. This is the key behavior that makes a Gantt chart work in Notion. While you are still inside the task, click the current status value, such as not started, and choose the correct status for that task. Keeping statuses updated helps you scan the timeline and understand progress at a glance. Now click back to the Gantt chart page to return to the main view. Click the priority property to review how tasks are ranked. Priority is useful when dates overlap because it tells you what should get attention first. Then click Full Details to switch to a view that shows more fields at once, which is helpful when you are doing quick edits across multiple tasks. Finally, click Timeline again to return to the Gantt-style view and confirm your updates are reflected on the chart. That covers everything you need to know.